Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So in this channel, all I talk about is how to make and grow your natural hair, and also how to make protective hairstyles. In this video, I will be showing you how you can use avocado and egg to improve your natural hair. Are you ready? So let's get started. All you need for this video is kitchen knife, bowl, spoon, fork, avocado and eggs. So first thing we'll be doing is you have the avocado and scoop it. You scoop into a bowl. Avocado is a great source of biotin, and adding these B-complex vitamins back into the diet may help hair to grow more healthier. The minerals in avocado include potassium and magnesium, which may seal cuticle cells and also help hair look smooth and shiny and prevent it from breaking. Avocado helps to improve scalp condition and provides a healthy environment for hair to grow. Avocado also nourishes hair, protects against damage, promotes a healthier scalp. It encourages hair growth and also prevents hair losses. Avocado can also moisturize and rejuvenate a dry scalp. So after scooping out the avocado, all you need is to mash with a fork until you get a creamy texture. After you must have gotten a creamy texture, add your egg into the mashed avocado and mix until it's well combined. Egg whites are high in protein as well as vitamins such as niacin and riboflavin. These nutrients all play a role in hair growth and renewal. Egg benefits your hair in many ways. As a rich source of selenium and protein, it helps your hair to grow and also prevents hair losses. Applying eggs directly to the roots helps infuse hair follicle with much needed vitamins and minerals. Eggs have an abundance of proteins which serves as nutrition for hair, boosting its growth. It also promotes the healthier new growth of hair. Eggs contain amino acids which are known to promote the hair growth. Yolks are rich in biotin, a nutrient which supports hair growth and can help in stopping hair fall. They are also rich in vitamin A, D, E and K. Using eggs for hair growth can really nourish your strands and also fight hair losses. When massaging this mixture into your scalp, you are promoting blood flow and unclogging any blocked follicle while allowing the natural oils to get absorbed quickly. I make sure it gets to every part of my hair. As you can see in the video, I parted my hair into smaller sections to make sure it gets to every part of my hair, and also comb after applying. I'm almost done applying, so I will be covering the hair to allow it to work perfectly. Yeah, I'm done washing out. The next is to make a simple style that you can wear anywhere with my hair butter and aloe vera DIY oil. So guys, as you can see, I do a lot of DIY stuff. You don't really need to spend much before you could grow a super long hair. All you need is to subscribe to this channel, as I will be doing a lot of DIY stuff that can improve your hair and also help grow your natural hair to be super long and full. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. Once again, I am Ziba.